Welcome to the part 2 of our tutorial series SQL Server. Brought to you by ThePeiStudio. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's continue. Installing SQL Server. In this tutorial, you will step by step learn how to install the SQL Server 2017 Developer Edition and SQL Server Mangement Studio, SSMS. Install SQL Server 2017 Developer Edition. To install SQL Server, you need to download it from the Microsoft.com website via the SQL Server Downloads link or first link in description below. Once the download completes, you double-click the file sqlserver 2017 ssei-dev.exe to launch the installer. Step 1. The installer asks you to select the installation type. Choose the custom installation type allows you to step through the SQL Server installation wizard and select the features that you want to install. Step 2. Specify the folder for storing the installation files that the installer will download, then click the Install button. Step 3. The installer starts downloading the install package for a while. Step 4. Once the download completes, open the folder that stores the install package and double-click the setup.exe file. Step 5. The following window displays. Select the installation option on the left. Step 6. Click the first link to launch a wizard to install SQL Server 2017. Step 7. Specify the edition that you want to install. Select Developer Edition and click the Next button. Step 8. Select the I accept the license terms and click the Next button. Step 9. Check the Use Microsoft Update to check for updates, recommended, to get the security and other important updates for the SQL Server and click the Next button. Step 10. The installation checks for the prerequisites before installation. If no error found, click the Next button. Step 11. Select the features that you want to install. For now, you just need the database engine services. Just check the checkbox and click the Next button to continue. Step 12. Specify the name and install ID for the instance of the SQL Server and click the Next button. Step 13. Specify the service account and collation configuration. Just use the default configuration and click the Next button. Step 14. Specify the database engine security mode. First, choose Mixed Mode. Next, enter the password for the SQL Server System Administrator (SA) account. Then, re-enter the same password to confirm it. After that, click the Add Current User button. Finally, click the Next button. Step 15. Verify the SQL Server 2017 features to be installed. Step 16. The installer starts the installation process. Step 17. Once it completes, the following window displays. Click the OK button. Step 18. Click the Close button to complete the installation. Congratulations! You have successfully installed SQL Server Developer Edition. Okay, next we will install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. To interact with SQL servers, you need to install SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. The SQL Server Management Studio is a software for querying, designing, and managing SQL Server on your local computer or in the cloud. It provides you with tools to configure, monitor, and administer SQL Server instances. First, download the SSMS from the Microsoft website via the next following link or download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS link the description below. Second, double-click the installation file SSMS setup.enu.exe to starting installing. The installation process of SMSS is straightforward, which you just need to follow the screen sequence. Step 1. Click the Install button. Step 2. Wait for a few minutes while the installer sets up the software. Step 3. Once setup is completed, click the Close button. Now, you should have a SQL Server 2017 and SQL Server Management Studio installed on your computer. This is the end of our Part 2 tutorial from the ThePeiStudio tutorial series, SQL Server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. By ThePeiStudio.